Hello everyone. How are you all, my lovely children? I hope all of you are fine and good and learning all the things and watching my videos, enjoying it or not, just let me know in the comment section. Now, in the last clip, I had told you about a hint. Have you judged that what was the hint all about? Yes, it was regarding the number system. How the numbers work. Like in that video, I have told you that like we are living in a house, in the same way numbers also have their places in their house. Now how those numbers are living with each other, that we will learn. So let us see about the chapter. The name is number system. There are different numbers and there is a system within them, like we have in our house. Parents and us are living all together, so there is a system how you are living, how you are waking up, how you are sleeping. There is a time limit on or at what time you are eating your lunch, you are taking your breakfast, dinner, at what time you are playing, at what time you are learning the things. Yes or no? So this system is there in numbers also. That's why we call it as a number system. Now, how does it work? Like we work in the same way, numbers also work. They also get together in one form. So, how does it work? Now, let us take the example by a house. Now, as your house is in the same way, there is a house, and just take it in the form of a story. Now, in this house, there were three persons who were living. Like, suppose you are living and your mother and father. Now in that house, these three persons are living. First person is by the name O, second is with the name T, and third is with the name H. Okay? Now like your mother and father have their names and you have your name. So in the same way, there are three persons with these three names. Now as you can see, this person is a small one. Yes? It's a small box, so this is a member that is smaller in age. Next is a person which is little bit bigger in age, and the third one is elder than these two. Yes or no? So here we can get that O is the smaller member of the family. Then comes the T, and the biggest one is the H. Yes? Now, let me tell you what is it. This is an entry gate. Yes or no? You always draw it and you draw this entry gate over here. So, it's an exit and entry gate. From here, they are coming out and they are moving in. So, all of these three members are coming out and moving in. So, obviously, they are all together. Like your family, your mother, father and you always move out together and always come in together. So they should also move out and move in together in the house. So that's why if we join three of them, then that is called a number. Okay? And let me write it over here. If we join O, T and H, so that will become a number. And now let us move that what is O, what is T and what is H. Now here O represent ones, T represent tens and H represents hundreds. Now as I told you, O is the smallest one, T is little bit bigger than O but smaller than H, and H is the biggest one. So that's why this is the order. On the first place O will come, that is ones. On the second place T will come, that is tens. And on the third place H will come, that is hundreds. Now remember this sequence always. Why there is a sequence? Because it's a system. Now these are the places. Now let us move to the numbers. Let me give you an example by these places. Because O is smaller one, T is little bit bigger and H is the biggest one. So we will write them in a proper sequence. We will start O from here, not from there. From this side we will start O will be here on this place, first place, then will be T, and then will be H. Remember always this sequence. Now let us move ahead and take the examples of ones, tens and hundred. How does it work? Let us see that. Now here O is the smallest one, so all the small numbers, all the one digit number will come under O. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now any one number will be O, that is ones place. Second is tens, because the name is tens. That's why all the tens numbers which have 10 in them, that is 10, 10, that is called as 10. So there is only 10. One here it is, then here and here. So everywhere, wherever we have only 10, that will be counted as the tens place. Here in this will be counted as the tens place, and here this will be only the ones place, because only one number is there. Here we have two numbers, but they are tens, 10. So every 10th number, that is this second number, 10, 20, 30, 40, then whatever after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 31, 32, 33, 34, 41, 42, 43, 44. Like this it will go on. Wherever we have two digit numbers or over there, this second place will be the tens place, because every time 10, 10 we are moving. So till the time we are moving to 10, 10 place, that place will be called as the tens place. Next is about the hundreds place. So 100 is this place, because here we are counting it as 100, like 100, 200, 300 and 400. So here 100, then 101, 102, 103, 104. Again it will move like this, 200, 201, 202, like this, and it will continue. So here we are on the 3 places, means the third place we are moving to. Now let us move to different examples. There are 3 different numbers I have written. Let's see, will you able to answer them or not, or will you able to think on them or not. See, here this number only is at the ones place. Yes? So will you able to think that this is at the ones place? This is only one number. So one number will always be at the ones place, because the place is 1. So always it is on the ones place. Then comes the tens place, 10, 10. So it will be on the second place, like we write 10. So it will be on the second place, like 20, 30, 40, 22, 23. So this is the tens place. Then we move to 100. So 100 is always as 100. So this third place will be the hundreds place. Now here you have to learn always that these numbers, like this 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 3, these are the numbers all together. They are formed by these 3 different places. That's why we have written in this heart, as when we join these 3 places, it becomes a number. So as you can see, 325 is one number, 67 is another number, and 8 is the last one. So this 8 will be the smallest number, 67 will be elder than 8, bigger than 8, and 325 will be the biggest number. Now here, how we call these numbers. We will call these numbers as 8 because it is at ones place. We will call it as 67. Why we call it as 60? Because it is at tens place. So as I have told you, 10, 20, 30, 40. So here it is 60 and then 7 is there. So 67. Then this is at hundreds place. So we will call it as 325. Again 20 came because it is at tens place and 5 is at ones place. So 325. This is the whole number. Now I suppose that each and everything over here is clear and you will look after it, enjoy the exercises. Always do different kinds of exercises after watching these videos, different kinds of questions, so that you will be able to learn more and more and you will find out more and more queries after this, after doing different exercises. I hope everything is clear. Share the videos, like and comment. If you don't know, just let me know what things you want to know more. Ask the questions from wherever you are finding it difficult. Thank you for watching each and every time, supporting the channel. Always share the knowledge. Bye bye everyone.